How to remove highlighting from text in Microsoft Word. Sometimes you may have highlighted important text in a document and later want to remove the highlight while keeping the text unchanged. First, select the text from which you want to remove the highlighting. For example, let's select the sentence, "Microsoft Word makes document editing easy," and apply a yellow highlight. Now, to remove the highlighting, go to the Home tab. In the font group, click the drop-down arrow next to Text Highlight Color. From the Color menu, select No Color. As you can see, the yellow highlighting has been removed, while the text remains unchanged. And that's how you can quickly remove highlighting from text in Microsoft Word. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.